Hey, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be kind of a special video. AZ Dirtbag asked, he said he just got a super diff. I have a spare super diff, and how to put it together. So, I took this one apart, or started taking apart. I'm just about ready to pull apart, and from what I could tell, let's get this down here. The square, or diamond, looks kind of diamond shaped to me, drops right in. So I'm using a magnet to hold this. Mine had a number on it. So I guess you just drop down your 4 spider gears. I don't think it really matters which way this goes in, as long as it goes in. Yeah, the magnet's biting me in the butt for using it. And there it is. It's in. Obviously, there are 1 long pin and 2 short pins. I would suggest putting these in the freezer for a little while so they shrink. That way you can push them in. So I guess it really doesn't matter which ones are what when it comes to putting in the long pins and the short pins. So it's just a matter of make sure that you put all the roll pins in when you're done. So let's try to get this in frame. So right now I have a short pin, and I am going to, and I notice there's only 3 dowel pins, so I guess there is a way that you have to put it in. So let's see, 1 dowel pin on this side, or roll pin, sorry, roll pin. 1 is on this side, and 1 on the bottom. So I'm assuming, so we'll go east, west, south. The east and west pins on this will be short pin, and then the long pin, because it only needs, of course, 1 roll pin to hold it in. So make sure you spin your gears so everything lines up. And then slowly push it in, because you can push it all the way through the other side. Of course, mine has crap in it, so tap, 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 tap. So that's 1 pin. Then we go to the, I guess we'll call it the west now, west side. I don't know if you saw how easy, once it's lined up real nice, just pushes right in all the way. And then the big pin, since there's only 1 roll pin left, you see there's holes in them. That goes right in. Might have to persuade it a little. Get that center block that holds all the spider gears together to pop up, or use the magnet that I was using earlier. Come on, turn, turn, turn. Oh, there's a flat spot. Okay, that's way off. Aha. So, go with this. Move that gear over. So mine is still filthy, full of shit from when it blew up, or the other transmission blew up. So I got crud in there. I'm just trying to get everything to bounce where it's supposed to bounce. Yes, I know this is pretty brutal. Wow, that is way off. Line up. So I still have the bottom spider gear in because this thing got so mauled up when the axle blew up. I don't know if you can see how mangled that is. I had to take a Dremel to grind that out. But yeah, pretty much that's the extent of it. You got to line up the dowel pins. Then get the damn spider gears to cooperate. Since my other axle hub does not, axle hub, swing axle, spider gear cup, whatever the fuck it is, it will not come out of here. I don't feel like grinding it right now. Oh, you could definitely see when the other axle blew up, start carving into the bearing cage. But yeah, that is the extent of it. Let's see. So one in that way, one in that way. Is that something off? So, where was I? So, big pin goes all the way through. Make sure you line up the holes for the roll pins. I got a punch. Alright, that seems cool. Then, that seems okay. That seems okay. Take my magnet out of there. And, there's your spider gears. Like I said, the long pin only has one roll pin in it. How well can you see that? Oh, it's on the side. So roll pin, no roll pin on the other side. So that's the big long straight pin, and then the two shorts on the sides because they each have roll pin holes. As for the square in the middle, yeah, it's kind of diamond shaped on mine. I don't know how yours looks. May take some finagling, but that's pretty much it, dude. Make sure all four spider gears are the same and they match your swing axle cups, because I think they change certain years, but hopefully the Super Diff kit that they gave you has all the parts. And because I think some of them in the past, you reused two of your spider gears and then they sent you two new ones, and I forget what the numbers are, but yeah, that's pretty much it. So AZ Scumbag, I think that's your name. Good luck. I wish you the best, and I hope this little crap video helped you out on which way it has to go. That's probably another reason why I can't get it out. It's like got broken bits in there. But there you go, buddy. Thanks for watching, subscribing, hit like, share, and you guys have a good day.